Welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today I'm announcing two winners of the Meshforce whole home Wi-Fi mesh system. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So a couple days ago, I reviewed the whole home mesh system from Meshforce, and this was the M3s models. Now I was extremely impressed with this. Speeds were constant throughout my house. Coverage was really good, and this product gets a thumbs up from me. Before we jump into the giveaway, another big shout out to Meshforce for sending this out for me to review, also for sponsoring this giveaway. So with this mesh system, guys, you can connect up to 6 nodes together to give you even better coverage in larger houses. System was also extremely easy to set up, does have parental controls, and does have the option to turn on and off a guest network, which I think was great additions. As far as the coverage for 3 of the units, you can cover up to 6,000 square feet, and during the review I actually show you how to set it up and how to make sure that you get the most out of your system. So definitely, if you haven't checked out the review, I'll link it again in the description as well as the comment section. Please check it out. If you guys are in the market for a mesh system, this is a great value. Currently it's available for $179. However, I do have a 10% discount in the description. Use that, you'll save a little bit of money. All right, so let's go ahead and jump over to the drawing. So in order to be eligible for this drawing, all you needed to do, of course, is subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also needed to smash a thumbs up on this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Just let me know why you want this mesh system. So a lot of comments on here, a lot of people having Wi-Fi issues at home, and with this mesh network, guys, it can greatly improve your coverage. So a lot of people are just saying that they don't have enough coverage in their house, that they've been in the market for a mesh system, and now this will essentially solve their problems. Unfortunately, I only have 2 of these to give away, and what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the random picker. We'll pick 2 winners. When you guys see your names, please reach out to me. I'm on social media, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, or you can shoot me an email with your shipping information. I'll try to get them shipped out tomorrow. That way you'll have them by Wednesday, Thursday if you're in the US. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We're going to jump over to random picker. Good luck to everyone. So for the random picker, all I'm going to do essentially is just paste the URL to the video. Then I'm going to go ahead and get YouTube comments. Now this will go ahead and scan the comment section, scan to see how many unique comments that I have on that video. Unique means that if you commented multiple times, does not improve your chances to win. All right, so good luck to everyone. We have 79 entries. Let's go ahead and pick 2 winners. So the first winner is going to be Herman Lawrence, and Herman wrote, "Awesome review for what appears to be a great product. My nephew just moved into my basement. I need to get him a better signal. This will be perfect for me. Thanks. Always excited to see what you have next." So big shout out to Herman. Herman, when you see this video, I need your shipping information. That way I can get this mesh system out to you as soon as possible. Let's go ahead and pick a second winner. Second winner is going to be Keith Hill. He wrote, "Dear Triple M, you're my favorite tech reviewer. Thank you for bringing light into the darkness that is the world of technology. Plus I have a big house with crap Wi-Fi. Congrats to Keith. When you see this video, I need your shipping information. That way I can get this mesh system out to you as soon as possible." So just wanted to give a big shout out to everyone that actually participated in this giveaway. If you guys are new to this channel, I do a lot of different things on here. Like I said, everything tech, from me tech reviews, product unboxings, do a lot of streaming reviews as well. So definitely subscribe, definitely hit the thumbs up. So also wanted to go back to the mesh system. Yes, the price is $179. With a 10% discount, you're saving about 20 bucks, give or take. But this mesh system works really well. Really surprised with this one. I reviewed a couple mesh systems in the past, and this one outperformed all the other ones that I've reviewed. So definitely recommend it if you're in the market. That's it for this video. Congrats to both the winners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.